Chocolate Dream Crepes. A dessert from France. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Div strong filling/strong. Step 2. Combine chocolate chips and butter in the top of a double boiler, bring water to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cook, stirring often, until chocolate melts. Div 2. Remove
Step
from
3.
heat. Add confectioners layers of waxed paper
Karo,
to prevent
creme de
sticking,
cacao,
water,
9.
and vanilla, and
Repeat
stir
until
all
smooth.
batter is used.
3.
Spoon
Div.
about 3 tablespoons ice cream down the center of each crepe, fold sides over,
CountryReports,
and place
culture,
seam side with on serving
countries,
dishes.
travel.
4.